Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. So we are going to start our first session of this week. The first session is about the grammar. We were discussing about the nahav and properties of ism. We are almost at the end of this properties of ism session. As we know that there are four properties of ism. Anyone can remind me? Actually, I forgot actually. Who is going to remind me about the four properties of ism? No one? Nazarway?
I can do it.
Okay, please. Four properties of ism.
As number, gender, type, and status.
In Arabic, Hassanvi?
Adad, jins,
Yes.
qism,
Yeah. No, the ism, properties of ism. Adad, jins.
qism,
Yes.
and Arab.
Arab status. Okay. So we were discussing about status. So there are three properties of, there are three status. What are those, Hassanvi?
Yeah, Rafa, Nasab, Jar,
I am talking about
Marfu,
status. Marfu, yes.
Marfu, Mansub, Majroor.
Okay, just do for this example once and then we will go next. Muslimun.
For the Arab, Muslimun, Muslim,
Yeah.
Muslimin.
Muslima. Okay, next.
Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini.
Yes.
Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Thank you, Hassanbhai. Okay. So now, then we have discussed about similarly for feminine, and that is Azarbhai. Would you please do this? Just fit here.
My dad's not here right now.
Okay, Burak, you do here. Just fit here. Jannatun.
Jannatun, Jannatan, Jannatin.
Okay, next.
Junnitani, Junnitaini, Junnitaini.
What are you doing?
I'm a
Jannah.
Jannitan,
Jannatani.
Jannitani,
Jannatani.
Jannitani,
Jannatani, ya Burak.
Jannatani, Jannataini, Jannataini.
Okay.
Jannitani, Jannitatun, Jannitatin.
What are you doing?
I'm
See,
a
this is
Jannat. No.
Jannatun.
Jannatun, Jannatin, Jannatin.
Okay, do again. Jannatun.
Jannatun, Jannatan, Jannatin.
Yes.
Jannatani, Jannataini, Jannataini.
Okay.
Jannatun, Jannatin, Jannatin.
Okay, thank you. So I would go to one more. Muhammad bin Ashar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Just fit here. Abidatun.
Okay. Abidatun, abidatan, abidatin. Abidatani, abidataini, abidataini.
Okay.
Abidatun, abidatin, abidatin.
Very good. Thank you. So then we have discussed about heavy and light. Heavy is a normal form, and noun is in the status. Its status can be made light if we remove the ending noun. And also the second thing, removing tanween for the singular case, that is light. And heavy is normal form like Muslimani, Muslimuna. And Muslim singular case, heavy is Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. And there are four reasons to be light. Ashar bhai, would you please just revise these 4 reasons why we make, sometimes we need the light noun. The first one.
Assalamu alaikum. So, 4 reasons is when the noun is partly flexible.
Yeah. Okay. What is partly flexible? It will have how many shapes?
Uh, Partly flexible like 2 shapes.
2 shapes. Yeah.
Yeah.
And these things like non-Arabic names,
Yeah.
3 letters, they will be partly flexible and they will be always
Always light.
light. Like,
Fir'aunu and Fir'auna, Fir'auna.
okay, Fir'aunu is, okay, what is,
Marfu
okay, Fir'auna.
is could be mansoob and majroor.
Any other example for this partly flexible?
Um,
Ibrahimu.
Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, and Ibrahima.
Yes, so they will be always light, these non-Arabic names, and this, they are partly flexible, one thing, and we need them to be light. Next reason is
Next is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, where mudaf is always light in the segment mudaf, mudaf ilayhi.
okay. The second part is always this. The first one, this is mudaf. The
Mudaf.
second is mudaf ilayhi.
Yes.
Mudaf will be so mudaf. The first part will always light. And what about the second part? It is not part. Second part is
Second part is majroor, always majroor.
And the third reason is
Third reason is when we call someone, when we combine any ism with ya, then the ism will be light, always light.
and next.
Next is lam nafiyatul lil jins. If any ism comes just after a lam nafiyatul lil jins, then it is always light. Ism is always light.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So last time we were discussing about the flexibility of the status. So there are 3 flexibility. One is fully flexible, non-flexible, and partly flexible. Fully flexible mean munsarif, most of the noun, 85% almost, and they will be fully flexible. When we say fully flexible means they have all 3 status. They will have separate marfu, they will have mansoob and majroor. Non-flexible, they will have only one shape. Mansoob, marfu, majroor, all will be same. And the partly flexible, as we have just discussed in this, just that they will have 2, only 2. So for fully flexible, 2 forms. They will have 3 shapes, fully flexible. Non-flexible, there will be only one shape. And the partly flexible will be, we have only 2. Like when we say Muslimun, so we just saw that we have the 3 shapes: Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. 3 shapes are there. Non-flexible, they don't. All mansoob, marfu, majroor. Always you will see there will like. What are things? Like things which ends with ya maksura, or we alif maksura, which is at the ending ya, and also alif comes. So this will have only one shape. Like if I say Musa, so my question will be from Abdullah. Abdullah, let's do it. He always has mic problem. I don't know how. Okay, I will go to Jafar Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. We say that non-flexible. What do you mean by non-flexible, Jafar?
It doesn't show marfu, mansoob, or majroor status.
Meaning?
So where's
there will be only?
There will only be fully flexible and partly flexible.
Oh my God, there will be no. You are talking about non-flexible, yeah, Jafar. So what does it mean? Don't show marfu, mansoob, and majroor status. Meaning?
That words that end with
No, what does it mean? First, don't show their marfu, mansoob, majroor. Like here, fully flexible means there will be 3 shapes: Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Did you see 3 shapes? You can recognize them from there. But here, you will have you have only one shape, like Musa. What is marfu for Musa? Musa. What is mansoob?
Sha.
Hmm? Okay, see here. This is Musa is marfu. And for such cases, non-flexible means there will be mansub, majroor will be same. Musa, Musa, Musa. Did you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay, what about this dunya? What is marfu, mansub and majroor for this dunya? They will have all the same shape. Marfu will be dunya, dunya, dunya. Majroor, mansub. Yahya, Yahya, Yahya. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Also, Isma Masula, they will have only one shape. So, Alladhi will be marfu, mansub, majroor. What it will be?
Al
Alladhi, marfu. What is mansub of Alladhi?
Allazina.
Good. No. I am talking about Alladhi. See here, there will be only one shape, Jafar. Non-flexible. They will not change shape. So, if Alladhi is marfu, it is non-flexible. Mansub will be Alladhi. Majroor will also be Alladhi. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, again, let's go. Alladhina. This is what this is, let's say marfu. What is mansub for alladhina?
Allazina.
And majroor?
Allazina.
Yes. Okay. Allati. This is marfu. What is mansub?
Allati.
Okay. Majroor?
Allati.
Allati. So that's why we say they are non-flexible. Okay. So their shape will not change. Here change. Muslimun, man, min. But in this cases, first ending ya and alif will come and at the end so they will not change their shape. Mansub, marfu, majroor will be same. Similarly, isme ishara, hadha, 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 and all pronouns attach and detach. For example, if I say antum, this is if I say it is marfu. What will be mansub for antum?
Antum.
Yes. What is majroor for antum?
Antum.
Why? Because this is. So
Non-flexible.
what are things are non-flexible? Number one.
Words that end with
Alif.
alif, maksura,
Yeah, this is alif maksura actually. This ya, ending ya, you can say. Second thing is
asma'u mawsula.
these are isma, the one who, those who, the one feminine, those who feminine. These are called isma masula, and these isma masula will be non-flexible. Next is isma ishara. This, that, those, these. These are ishara. So this will be, they will be non-flexible. And last thing, attached pronoun, detached pronoun, they will always be non-flexible. Thank you, Jafar. Now we have discussed last thing is about partly flexible. Okay. What things are partly flexible? Mean they will have only two shapes. So I would go to Ubaid.
Yes.
Okay, Ubaid, can you please just tell me this?
Partly flexible. Name of place
Yes, name of places like
Medina too and Mecca too.
yeah, but there is exception for three letters. They will be fully flexible. Okay, if there is a three-letter names, that will be fully flexible. Second is
non-Arab names.
so what will be the shape for Ibrahimu? Marfu is
Marfu is Ibrahimu.
and Mansub
Ibrahimu.
Ibrahima
Ibrahima.
and Majroor is Ibrahima. So two shape Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima. Fir'aunu, Fir'auna, Fir'auna. But the Arab name will have all three shapes like Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. Third is feminine. All feminine, they will have partly flexible like Aishatu, Aisha, Ti. Maryamu, Maryami. Ismu Tafdil. Ahsanu, Ahsana. Akbaru, Akbara. Body defects. they will have partly flexible. Color names and all broken plural with alif in the middle, alif in it, masajid. So ambiyau, masabihu, they will be partly flexible. Let's apply it in the real example, these things. Okay. Let's go to abidatin. So it will be fully flexible, non-flexible, or partly flexible. Can I ask? Just give me a minute. There is some. Abidatin. What is this? Partly flexible or what? Actually, I have. Ibrahim, would you please share the screen?
There's nothing on the screen.
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute.
Next. Okay. Full, make it full. Abidatin. Make it big. Okay. Okay, brother Hamid, would you please tell about abidatin?
Yes, abidatin, it is fully flexible.
Can you please? Okay, let's fit it.
Abidatun, abidatan.
Do you know muslimatun? That
Yeah.
was muslimatun, and then it was muslimatin.
Right.
So we did not see muslimatan. Is it or not? So it will have two shape. Abidatun,
Muslimatin. Yeah.
abidatun, abidatin.
So
Did you
it's
understand?
partly flexible.
Yes, because we saw it there. What about nahnu, brother Hamid?
Brother,
Yes, please,
we
Shabazz.
have to. This
Yes, Shabazz.
abidatin is fully flexible, brother. Brother Akhtar.
Okay.
Yeah, when you look at the singular for this, it will be abidun, abidan, and
Abidin.
abidin. You go to the singular and then you determine, is it fully flexible or partly flexibility? You will have to go
Yes.
back to singular and then determine that.
Okay, Jazakallah Shabazz bhai. So this is for single abida, but its shapes are two. In this case, there are two abidatun, abidatin. But in singular, because it is fully flexible, so we have to see.
And
Nahnu.
the
What
other thing,
about?
brother Akhtar, and the other thing is, you see it has two kasra.
Yes.
And in partly flexible, they don't have kasra. They only have dhamma and one fatha. So
Oh,
that is another reason for calling it fully flexible.
yes. Thank you, Jazakallah Shabazz bhai. Okay,
Jazakallah
nahnu.
khair, Shubhan.
Nahnu.
Nahnu is a 3-letter word. So
So nahnu, first we have to see that. Nahnu is
it's
what?
Nahnu is a 3-letter word. So
No, that is
exception
only names, brother Hamid. That is
for
only
names.
names. This is
Nahnu, so this will be not flexible then,
non-flexible. Why? Because
because it's a noun,
it is pronoun.
pronouns.
Okay, thank you. So now I would go to Ijaz bhai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Ijaz bhai. Bani Israila.
Bani Israila.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about Bani? Is what, flexible or light?
Bani is it's always Bani.
Yes, but actually it is Banina.
Banina. Okay.
And we said that mudaf will always be light. So light banina, banuna, banina.
Banina. Yeah, so it's
So
flexible.
banina, that noon will be dropped.
Right. Okay.
So
So
noon
this
will
is
be
flexible.
dropped, so it will be light, bani.
Bani. Okay. So this is flexible then because it
Okay.
has.
What about Israila?
Israila is
Okay, Bani Israila complete is what?
it's mudaf ilay.
Mudaf ilay. And we know mudaf ilay should be?
Mudaf ilay should be Majroor.
Majroor. So
Correct.
Israela is Majroor. Why? Because it is non-Arabic name.
It's non-Arabic. Yeah.
And what will be the marfu for Israel?
Uh,
Israelu.
Israelu.
And
Israela.
Majroor.
Two shapes. Israela.
Okay. Next is, okay, thank you. Ibrahim, would you please explain about Ali Fir'auna?
Okay, Ali Fir'auna, this is mudaf ilayh. Ali is mudaf and Fir'aun is mudaf ilayh. And mudaf, Ali is mudaf is always light, so Ali is light. And Fir'auna is I would say it is partly flexible because it is a non-Arab name. So Fir'aunu and Fir'auna. So this is partly flexible.
Okay. Next is Dhalika. Dhalika. Who will explain this? Tanjeen.
What?
Dhalika.
Dhalika. I think that's Majroor.
No, Dhalika, we have to first tell it is fully flexible, non-flexible, or partly flexible.
Dhalika, it's fully flexible.
Can you see the non-flexible? What things should be non-flexible?
Don't show there Majroor, Mansub, and Marfu.
All are same. So Zalika is what?
Non-flexible.
Non-flexible. Why? Reason?
Because it doesn't have their Marfu, Majroor, Mansub status.
Okay. So what is this? Any reason? Any other reason? If you see here, Zalika is in which category? Is it Isma Masula or Isma Ishara or pronouns?
Let me see. I think it's
Here.
pronouns.
Pronoun. No. See here. Isma Ishara. Can you please see the screen? Haza, Zalika, Ulaika.
I think so.
Yeah, this see here, Isma Ishara, all Isma Ishara should be non-flexible, like Dhalika, Hadha, Haulai, Ulaika. Okay,
Yeah.
next, okay, please focus here. Next is Daudu. I will go to Safi.
Oh.
Yes. Dawudu.
Yes. First, tell me, fully flexible, non-flexible, or partly flexible? So one thing I will tell you, Daudu is non-Arab names.
So it's partly flexible.
So it is
Partly flexible.
partly flexible. So it will, this is marfu or mansub?
Marfu.
What will be the mansub for Daudu?
Dawuda.
Okay, and majroor?
Dawuda.
Okay, thank you. Next, I would go to Brother Rida.
Salaam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Brother Rida. Brother Rida, Aswadu. Is it fully flexible, non-flexible, or partly flexible? First, tell me this thing.
Aswadu is partly flexible.
Why?
I guess Aswad is a color, right?
Color, yes. And we have seen here the fourth is color names. They are partly flexible.
What color is Aswad? Black?
Aswad is black, yeah.
Black.
Thank you. Okay, next question is from Anusha there.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam, Anusha. Anusha, can you please tell me about Isa?
What? Oh, Isa. It is it an Arab name or non-Arab name?
No, any other thing tell me. This is Nana, but there is one more thing here.
Okay, here,
Isa.
Isa. I think it is partly flexible.
Don't think. Just look at the screen and tell me.
Um,
Okay, let's start reading from non-flexible. What are these words?
okay. Sorry for non-flexible words that end with alif,
Ya maksura, ya alif maksura. So see here, Musa, there is ending ya.
Yeah. So
This is,
a non-flexible.
so what is marfu for Isa?
Reset,
Mansub,
reset,
majroor.
reset.
What about Musa?
Musa. It's Musa. It's everything. Every marfu, mansub, or
Majroor, all are Musa, ending ya. You have to see at ending ya. Okay, thank you. Next, I would go to Azhar bhai. Azhar bhai, Yusufa. Walaikum assalam. Yusufa. What about this? This is fully flexible, non-flexible, or partly flexible?
This is partly flexible
Why?
because this is a name,
Which name?
Arabic.
No, this Yusufa
This
is
is not
not non-Arabic names. They are before. Yeah, this is non-Arab. So this is partly flexible.
Partly
So it
flexible.
will have how? What will be marfu for this?
Marfu for this one, Yusufu,
Yusufu, Mansub,
Yusufa,
and Majrur.
Yusufa.
Thank you. Okay, next question. I would go to Ibrahim Farhan. Is there?
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Oh, Ibrahim, walaikum assalam. Ibrahim Farhan, Abkamu.
Abkamu?
Yeah, this is fully flexible, non-flexible, or partly flexible.
Abkamu is non-flexible.
Why?
Um,
Just see the screen. Everything is written there.
it's partly flexible.
Why?
It's a body defect.
Which defect is it? Is this Abkamu?
It's
Dumb.
no, so you can't talk.
Yeah, cannot talk. Yeah. So this is Abkamu. This is body defects, and all body defects are partly flexible. Abkamu, Abkama, Abkama. Thank you. Muhammad is there? Muhammad bin Farhan?
No, not with me here right now.
Okay. I would go to now next. Aqib Javed.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Aqib. Aqib. Muhammadun.
Muhammadan. Is it fully flexible?
Why?
Because it has three statuses.
Why? Yes, fully flexible always. Whenever we say fully flexible, that is three status. But why? Why it is fully flexible? Question is. What is this? This is what name of place or just name of person? What is this? Muhammadan.
Name of person.
Okay, name. And what name? Arab names or non-Arab names?
Arab names.
Arab name, and all Arab names are fully flexible.
Okay.
Okay. So Muhammadun, Muhammadin is marfu. What is mansub for Muhammadun?
Muhammadan.
And what is majroor?
Muhammadin.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So I would go to Ashar bhai.
Assalamu
Ashar bhai, please explain us to Sadiqatun.
Sadiqatun is fully flexible.
Why? As brother Shahbaz explained.
Yeah, because it's singular is fully flexible.
What is singular of Sadiqatun?
Sadiqatun, Sadiqatan, Sadiqatin.
One more reason brother Shahbaz just told us about this, that there is Tanween.
Tanween, yes, there is Tanween.
Okay, thank you. Tanjeen, I am coming back to you.
Okay.
Okay. Tanjeen, what about Hua? Hua is fully flexible, non-flexible, or partly flexible?
Hua. Non-flexible.
Non-flexible. Why? Because
there are pronouns.
Pronouns. Very good. Last thing is Ahlu Yathriba. Dr. Iqbal is there?
Uncle Akhtar,
Yes.
can I go now because my mom has
Yes.
a
Okay. Okay. Anusha. Yes, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Ahlu Yathriba. Okay, Ibrahim, would you please explain this?
Okay, Ahlu Yathriba, this is also mudaf ilay.
Okay.
Ahlu is mudaf is always light, and Yathriba is names of places like Medina and Mecca. So Yathriba is partly flexible. Yathribu and Yathriba.
And Majroor is?
Yathriba.
Okay. And here Yasribu is what? Mudaf or
Here Yathribu is mudaf ilay.
And what is the status of Yathriba here?
Yathriba here is majur because mudaf is always light and mudaf ilay is always majur.
Okay. Okay. Next. Last thing is last question. Explanation from Brother Farhan, please. Ali Fir'auna.
Ali Fir'auna is mudaf ilay.
Yes. What is the meaning of Ali Fir'auna?
The nation of Fir'aun.
Yes. Family of, you can say. Family of Fir'aun. Okay. What about Fir'auna? This is what? Mansoob, Majroor or Marfu'?
So Fir'auna would be marfu.
As you said, Ali Fir'auna is mudaf ilay. And mudaf ilay is always what?
Light.
Light. Mudaf ilay is light or mudaf is light?
Sorry, mudaf is light. Sorry.
Mudaf is light and mudaf ilay is always majroor.
Majroor, right.
So Fir'auna is majroor. What is mansoob form of Fir'auna?
Fir'auna.
Same. Fir'auna.
Fir'auna.
And what is marfu?
Marfu would be
Fir'auna. Okay, so this is, so we have to finish it here, and next we have to go for the second session. Inshallah, tomorrow in the breakout room we have to revise all the properties of is completely. This is from the start to the end. First session will be the revision in the breakout rooms. So I would finish here, and Brother Shahbaz will